Okay, today we talk about how to get a Sui Airdrop, how to set up Sui wallet, how to get free Sui on testnet, and how to mint Sui Capys. First thing you should know is that there is no official information from the Sui network team on how to get the airdrop. So this is all just speculation, and we hope that they will reward early users, which I think it's very possible. Also, I'm keeping a close eye on the project, so as soon as there is an official announcement on how to get the airdrop, I will make a new video. So if you're not already, make sure to subscribe to be updated on time. Let's begin. First step is to set up a Sui wallet. Create a new wallet. So create a password. The next step is to write down the private key. Make sure to do it immediately because you won't be able to do it later. They will probably fix that in the future. Here we can add a free Sui token to the testnet, and also here we can ask for more. I'll try out as many features as I can. I'll put a little amount of Sui to stake, pick the validator, amount, stake now. I'll be playing with existing dApps. The most interesting dApp is Capys. I'll show you how to mint Capys. Connect your wallet, My Collection, click Capys, get a free Capy, approve. We got our first Capy. We need another one so we could breed them. Let's repeat the process. Now we have two, so now we can breed them. This way we can produce more of them. Here we can also buy completely different Capys. These angry Capys are looking cool. After we bought them, we can now breed them with our existing Capys and we will get a whole different look. Let's do it again. And we got another new Capy. This way we can make a whole army of Capys. We can also sell all the duplicates we get. We have a few more apps on the wallet. I'll show you one more that I used, but you could research as many as you want. On this one we can choose our domain. Domain is a name for your wallet address. So people could use your domain name when they are sending you crypto, instead of using a complicated wallet address. Okay, so let's see what we did. Here we can see the list of transactions we made, and we can hope that they will take a snapshot anytime soon and that we will participate in the airdrop. Anyway, if we get nothing with this, we learned a few new things and we're ready to use this chain when mainnet comes. If you like this kind of content, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel.